Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, July the 30th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 7 awesome deals to share with you guys, one as low as 15 cents out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, now I do have a couple of quick housekeeping items to go over before we get into the scenarios, and the first thing is that I know that some of y'all have been wondering where I have been all week. I did post a video on Sunday, and then that was kind of it. I did make a few posts in the community tab and over on Instagram about deals that I had done, but other than that, I tried to just take a break for myself this week, unplug, try to stay away from social media, and yeah, just spend some time with the family, especially because the kids are about to go back to school. So that's where I've been this week, just taking a little mental break and staying away from all of the socials and the internet and all that good stuff. But I'm back, so no worries on that. All right, guys, everything's going good with me. Now, second thing, we do have a 3-day sale going on right now, and today, Friday, is the last day. So I have some pictures scrolling across your screen here right now. So if you see anything that you guys want to grab up while this sale is going on, make sure that you get to Dollar General today to snag those before this sale ends. Now, the third thing that I wanted to remind you all of is that we do have that 3 off 15 back to school DG store coupon, and that does expire today, Friday, July the 29th. So if you haven't used that coupon, make sure that you get a DG today and use it before it's gone. Now, if you guys need some ideas, here's how I used my 3 off 15 back to school coupon. Here is one deal that I did yesterday. I went out and picked up 4 of the Almighty packs. Those are on sale this week for $4.50. I threw in the Tide Simply Pods for $3.45 and the Centrum Mini Vitamins for $3. And this week at DG, we have that instant savings on All and Snuggle products for when you spend $15. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Plus, we have some 2 off 1 insert coupons that work perfectly with this deal. I think that came in last Sunday's inserts or the Sundays before. So I used 4 of those insert coupons plus the Centrum Digital and the Tide Simply Digital, and I paid $4.95 for 6 items. Now, here is my second transaction, and it's basically the same thing, except for this one, I didn't pick up the Centrum Mini Vitamins. I threw in the AZO 20 count tablets because I wanted to use that 5 off 1 coupon and take advantage of that overage while we still have it, because I think it does expire next week. So after the instant savings and all the coupons were applied, I paid $4.40 for all 6 products. And then here is another deal that I did. I picked up 2 of these stem bug sprays, one of the Puffs Tissue Cubes, the Tide Simply Pods, one of the Airwick Warmers, and the Centrum Minis. And all of those are digital coupons that we have on our accounts right now, plus that 3 off 15 back to school coupon that left me paying $4.61 for all 6 items. Now, for our fourth housekeeping item, don't forget that we still have that regular 3 off 15 DG store coupon. That one does expire on July the 31st. So Sunday will be the last day that you guys can use those 3 off 15 DG store coupons. And last but not least, I wanted to go ahead and remind you guys that you still have a few more days to get in on that free vet visit paid for by the IMS Checkup Challenge. Now, I did make a video about this last week, giving you guys all of the details. So if you missed that video, definitely go and check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. And also in that video are a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios where you guys can get some cheap pet food this weekend at DG. Alright, now for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very, very important to scan when you are in the store. You want to make sure that you are scanning each and every item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, now our first couple of deals are going to be gain scenarios, so I'm going to say it again, to scan. You want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product, because that gain DG store coupon does not work with all gain products or all gain scented products. Now, I'm going to go ahead and be the first to admit that these are not the best gain deals that we have had this month. And the reason being is because P&G has yet again raised their prices on their products. So all of the gain products went up in price. So if you guys have any scenarios that you planned out earlier on in the week, make sure that you go back and double check those prices and check them again once you get to the store on Saturday, because things are getting a little bit hairy out there. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all, last weekend when I went out to do my Gain deals, the Gain dish soap was $2.35 each. But they had already put a new sticker up where they were marking them up to $2.50 each. I went out yesterday and they were already marked up again to $2.70 each. So you guys really have to pay attention to those prices and scan. Now, with that being said, we did get lucky this month and we had 2 run glitches on Saturday. So even with those price increases, we ended up with a better deal with that glitch. So I'm going to be up bright and early on Saturday morning at Dollar General as soon as the doors open, trying out some different deals. And if we have any run glitches, you guys will be the first to know. But in order to be the first to know, you have to turn on those notifications. So don't forget to do that so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright, so for this first Gain deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $7.75. There's different ones that y'all can choose from listed on your screen there. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.75, one of the Gain laundry products that are priced at $4.50, and 2 of the Gain dish soaps that are on sale too for $4 this week, and 1 of the Gain products from the dollar aisle for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.75. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain, your 5 off 25, 2 of the 2 off 1 Gain laundry products, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, and the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $13.75 for all 7 items, making each one just $1.96 each. Alright, now here is another Gain scenario that y'all can do. You can pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.75 each. 1 of the Gain flings priced at $4.50. 1 of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks priced at $4.50. 1 of the Gain fabric softeners priced at $3.50. 1 of the Gain fabric softener sheets 60 count priced at $3.35, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $31.35. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25, 2 of the 2 off 1 Gain laundry products, the 150 off 1 Gain laundry detergent, the 150 off 1 Gain scent beads, the 150 off 1 Gain fabric softener, and the 150 off 1 Gain fabric softener sheets. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $11.35 for all 6 items, making each one just $1.89 each. Alright, so for your third Gain scenario, you can pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.75 each. 1 of the Gain flings priced at $4.50. 1 of the Gain 5.7 ounce fireworks priced at $4.50. And 2 of the Febreze air fresheners priced at $3.25 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $31. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25, 2 off 1 Gain laundry, another 2 off 1 Gain laundry, the 150 off 1 Gain laundry detergent, the 150 off 1 Gain scent beads, and the 330 off 2 Febreze products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.70 for all 10 items, making each one just $1.78 each. Alright, now for our next scenario, this is kind of a little household deal. You want to pick up 2 of the Stem bug sprays priced at $7 each, 1 of the Tide Simply pods or the liquids for $3.45, 3 of the Chlorine multi-purpose sprays at $2.50 each, and 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.95. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the $8.99 off 2 Stem products, the $1.50 off 1 Tide, the buy 2 get 1 free on the Chlorine products, and the 2 off 2 Oral-B toothbrushes. Your subtotal after coupons will be $6.96 for all 8 items, making each one just 87 cents each. Alright, next up, you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer laundry products that are priced at $4.75. You can choose from the detergent, the scent beads, or the sheets, I think are also included. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze air fresheners priced at $3.25 each, 1 of the Febreze Unstoppables priced at $5, 2 of the Clorox dish or hand soaps priced at $1 each, found in the dollar aisle, 2 of the Gain dish soaps on sale, 2 for $4, 1 of the Airwick starter kits at $3.50, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $1 each, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, found in the dollar aisle. That's going to bring your subtotal to $28.75. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 330 off 2 Febreze air fresheners, the 3 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, the 1 off 2 Clorox products, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, the 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 2 off 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, and the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.45 for all 12 items, making each one just 78 cents each. Alright, next up we have a personal care deal. So for this one you want to pick up 6 of the Suave 2-count bar soaps priced at $1 each. 1 of the Bic Soleil razors for $5. 1 of the Maybelline 2-count eye pencils priced at $4.35. 2 of the Head & Shoulders eucalyptus scent at $4.50 each. 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $1 each. 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. And 2 of the Clorox hand or dish soaps priced at $1 each. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $29.35. We do have an instant savings deal going on this week on Head & Shoulders products. So when you buy 2, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So that's going to come off first, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.35. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $2 off when you spend 6 on Suave products, digital coupon, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 2 off 1 Maybelline product, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 2 off 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 1 off 2 Clorox products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $7.35 for all 15 items, making each one just 49 cents each. Alright, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders eucalyptus scent at $4.50 each, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes priced at $1 each, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, 2 of the Airwick warmers at $2.25 each, 2 of the Clorox hand or dish soaps at $1 each, 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic erasers for $1 each, 3 of the Pedigree dog food pouches at 90 cents each, 1 of the Centrum mini vitamins at $3, and 1 of the AZO 20-count tablets at $3.45. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $29.65. Again, that $3 in instant savings for the Head & Shoulders will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.65. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 2 off 2 Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Crest, the 150 off 1 Airwick, the second 150 off 1 Airwick, the 1 off 2 Clorox, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 150 off 3 Pedigree, the 4 off 1 Centrum, and the 5 off 1 AZO product. Your subtotal after coupons will be just 15 cents for all 16 items, making those about a penny each, and you just can't beat that. So that is our low out-of-pocket deal for this week. Now, once you're done shopping on Saturday, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can earn points on the products that you purchased. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you are waiting on because, like I said, it is super simple and easy. All you have to do is take a picture of a receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So definitely make sure that you go and sign up. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, before y'all go today, I'm going to ask you guys to keep the people who have been affected by the flooding in Kentucky, Missouri, and Illinois in your thoughts and prayers this weekend because this is just truly devastating. The pictures that I have seen are really, really heartbreaking, and we do have a crazy couponer up in that area, Crystal. Some of her family were affected by the floods and they were trapped in their home. I am still waiting to hear back from her. So Crystal, if you're watching this, please get back to me in an email whenever you can, girl. We're thinking about you and I hope that everything's going okay. But let's keep these people in our thoughts and prayers over the weekend because this is going to take a while and a big cleanup effort to get back to normal. Now, I also want to go ahead and mention that Debra Williams Bus has been posting things on her community tab over on her YouTube channel, so I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the pinned comment down below. This lady has a true heart of gold, so you guys make sure that you go over there and hit that subscribe button and check out her community page. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, on your way out, hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support the channel. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.